Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you that what inside this course so that you can have an idea that what you are going to learn here, because knowing things before doing them always make a clear path for you. So first of all, the course is divided into different sections according to their topics, like the one that considers the graphical applications like any game or any desktop application is under the section 3, that is GUI programming. After that one, in section 2 we have Python for data science, analysis and visualization, and then we have the basics of Python in section 1. So let's go through each of these one by one. So first of all, we will consider sections 0, 1 and 2 in this video and later in the next video. So just after the introduction we have section 0 that consists of installing Python on Windows and Mac. Here you will learn that how you can install different editors like Atom on your computer and how we can use them. So this is the one we are going to prefer in this course. You will also use to learn big softwares like Anaconda and also the Jupyter notebooks. After them, in this module, you will also learn that how you can use terminal on Mac and command prompt on Windows and how they work, what are their commands, and how you can use the Python there. Just after this, we have section 1 that consists of basics of Python. Here you will learn first of all the data types, in which we have all the data types in Python, how to convert them from one to another, and the operations and methods on them. With each of these modules, you will find perfect note there, like here we have this one. So the notes on the Udemy are a little boring there, like this one, but in the end of the notes, you will find resources there, the HTML files. Just click them and download in your computer so that you can keep them always with you. They are look like these, in which you have perfect examples, syntaxes and every description you need. So this is about the notes. After that one, they will be followed by a quiz, which I believe you need to take. After that one, we have the operators in Python. That consists of all the operators you will need and are in Python, like arithmetic, comparison, all of these, which also again followed by notes, a resource and a quiz. Then we have a separate section here, which is a part of section 0 actually, but in section 1, which editor is best for you, so that you have now learned Python, that how you can use a little of this one. Now you can guess that which editor is good for you and which one you go for. So you can also use a different editor I'm using here in the next videos. So that will happen there in this module. Just after that one, we have functions and methods, in which you will learn that how we can create functions and methods in Python and use them in your programs, followed by errors in Python. So this one contains most of the common errors and a list of all the errors in notes that you get during your programs, and the way that how you can detect them, how you can correct them, and how you can find the solution. Just after this one, we have decision making, which consists of if-else conditions. So if you are a beginner, then they are very good for you. And if you are already familiar with programming, then you already know what they are. After that one, we have the second most important concept in programming, that is loops. So here you will get the loops available in Python, every function with them, like range, in, and how you can use them with these. Also, they also have notes, just like every section here. Then we will learn that how you can work with the date and time in Python. That is something you require in most of your applications. After this one, we have file handling, that how you can handle the file, datas and big datas in your programming, so that you can analyze them, work with them and have in your programs, which is followed by libraries, which is I believe one of the most important concept. So here you will learn that how you can work with the libraries in Python. So at this point, we are at the end of basics of Python. Now we require to apply our knowledge. So these are followed by many projects here, which consist of simple programs first, like the one that we require to build on the backend only. They did not have any front end right now, but later they also have the front end. So first program, a dice stimulator, where you will learn that how you can create a dice that will create random values according to it and show it to user. Then we will build a dictionary that will find the meaning of every single word you require and in any way. Then we have another project, a game, that is a basic hangman game, which you will get to know that what it look like. When you get this one, then we have our tic-tac-toe, and this one is the main project of this module, or we can say section 1, where you will learn that how you can create a game that will actually play with you. The second is the computer playing there. So it's actually an AI type of stuff game, but basics of that one. So here you will learn to build that one and how you can play against computer. And I bet you cannot win with that one. After this one, we have the section 2. Now the part of programming where you will learn syntaxes is done. Now we will move to some logical type of stuff, where you will learn that how you can use your brain for practical applications. And by the end of this section, you will know that how the things work in industries and how you can learn them and how you can make them work. So this section will be very beneficial for you, and I have included this one before the graphical one because this one requires all the logical type of stuff. So here in this one, we will begin that what is data science, what are the jobs available in that one, and how you need to work. So this is the part of Python with highest paid salary jobs. So in this one, we have first of all 2 important libraries with the help of which you will learn to create data, you will analyze them, and how you can make the data in your graphs and your programs. So here we will learn the NumPy and pandas completely, every method with them, how they work, and how you can create data with them. So each of these are followed by a documentation link, which consists of their original documentation in which you will find everything you need. So you do not require to Google anywhere else. After that one, we will move to data visualization, in which first of all we will encounter the matplotlib, the very basic one library for data visualization, and maybe you have heard of. So in this one, we will learn that how you can build practical plots in Python, and they will consist of different kinds of plots like this one, a 3D plot in which we will create these kinds of things. So this one with a different library, but for a basic idea that what we are going to do in plotting type of stuff. So as you can notice this one, so all this one will be worked with the programming. And here I have different examples for that also, like these graphs. These are also built with the programming language. So you will learn that how you can create these with matplotlib, Seaborn, pandas inbuilt data visualization, plot-ly and cufflinks, and geographical plotting. So all of these 5 sections are for these things, that how you can learn them. Also in geographical plotting, we will learn that how you can work on big data to plot everything globally. So we will make these kinds of 3D global plots, which you can actually move also, but this one is actually a screenshot. After that one, this is the end of section 2. So a very fast introduction to this one, but this one contains a lot of things because I cannot explain everything right now here. So after this one, this section also followed by the project, in which first we will include a plotter. So here we will define and build up application that is not on the internet. Here you will build a plotter that will automatically plot any kind of plot you require. So you can visualize any kind of data. I thought you did not able to understand what I am saying actually here, but you will get to when we will work with that one, because this is something completely related with these things. So nothing about that one right now. After that one, we have a geographical plot using Folium. So here you will learn that how you can create a base map, which is something again most of the students did not understand right now, but will when you encounter that one. And in last of this section, we have a school donation analysis project, in which you are actually going to analyze 60 million plus data, which is approximately 6 crore. So you will analyze the data, learn the things there, and plot the data of that one. The project is big enough that its files are actually in GBs. So the files are also provided here. You don't need to worry about this. Just click and download them. So this is about section 0, 1 and 2. I hope you get what we are going to learn in these sections. More you will get these when we work with them. Because without any knowledge of this, it's hard to understand in the introduction. So thanks for watching. In the next video, I will tell you about the other sections.